I opened the fridge for a midnight snack and it blinked, displaying a tiny message. You should text Alex back. Then it beeped when I grabbed ice cream. Also, apologize for that last argument. I stared, confused. When I reached for milk, it flashed. Avoid commitment until next week. Every shelf had new advice. The eggs whispered about honesty. The butter judged my choices, and the leftover pizza rolled its eyes. By the time I closed the door, my fridge had somehow planned my entire relationship for me. Follow 4 Part 2.